Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the disconnection quick and predictable. Make sure your AirPods are within a few feet and have enough charge so they appear in Bluetooth. Then open Settings and tap Bluetooth. That list is where the active connection lives. If you're wearing them, leave them in so the name shows as connected. If they are in the case, open the lid near the phone to wake them. Once done, you'll see the device entry ready for the next action. Now you'll take the explicit disconnect action. Tap the small info icon to the right of your AirPods entry. You can tap disconnect to immediately end the current audio link while keeping the pairing for later. Choose forget this device only if you want to remove pairing entirely and prevent automatic reconnection. Make sure you understand the difference. Disconnect preserves quick repairing, forgetting forces a full setup next time. When you select the option, confirm any prompts to finalize the change. Finally, verify the status in Bluetooth. It should read not connected or disappear if you forgot the device. If the AirPods remain stubbornly connected, reset them by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears their local memory and forces a fresh pairing next time. Also, restart your iPhone if Bluetooth behaves oddly, since a reboot resolves many transient radio or software states. If problems persist, try disconnecting from control center audio outputs as an extra step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.